Welcome. Today let's see some more basic statistical measures. How to find the mean deviation of a particular column in a data set MTCAS. So the column name is CYL. So for this column we are going to find the mean deviation using the function MAD. So the function MAD will give the mean deviation. Um, okay, so the mean deviation is minus 2.9652. So, and how to find the different quartiles of a particular column, which is a numeric column. That is, what is the median taking the 0% of the data, what is the median at 25% of data, what is the median at 50% of the data, what is the median at 75% of data, what is the median at 100% of the data. So that is the quartile. Okay, so at different quartiles, 0%, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. So the different quartiles are given by the function quantile. The same thing is done by another function called as 5num. Okay, so this also will give you the different quartile ranges. Okay, so next function is IQR, which is nothing but the interquartile range. So that is the range between the different quartiles of the numeric values of the column CYL of MTCAS dataset. Okay, so next we are using COR, that is correlation function, to find the correlation between the columns MPG and CYL. Okay, so how to find the correlation between two numeric columns? For that we use the function COR. Okay, and we give the two parameters, so that will give whether it's a negative correlation or a positive correlation. So correlation value can be between -1 and +1. So this correlation is minus 0.85 is the negative correlation. So if you have positive value, it is a positive correlation. Okay. So next, COV function will give you the covariance between two numeric columns. The two numeric columns are MPG and CYL. The covariance is given by minus 9.172. Okay. So the next one is giving the number of rows in MTCAS, and I am displaying all the columns of all the values of the column CYL in MTCAS. So this pmin function will give the parallel minimum of all the values of the CYL column, and pmax will give the parallel maximum of all the values of the column CYL of the MTCAS dataset. Okay, so the next one, CUMMIN, that is cumulative minimum. So we'll give you the cumulative minimum for the given numeric column name. Okay, so the cumulative minimum means so it will take the first element and find the minimum, it will take the first two element and find the minimum, then it will take the first three element and find the minimum, first four element, like that it will go on find the minimum cumulative minimum value. Okay, similarly cumulative maximum can be got from CUMMAX. So this function will give the cumulative maximum. So next one, cumulative sum. So this can be obtained by SUM function. So this will give you the cumulative function, taking one by one each element by adding each element one by one. Okay, so first element 6, first two elements 12, first three elements 16, sum of first four element 22, like that it goes on. Okay, so next one, there is the cumulative prod as the multiplication of the values of the CYL um, variable in the MTCAS data set. So it is going to multiply each and every individual column values. Okay, so taking one value at a time, it is going to add first one, it is going to multiply the first one with itself, and it is going to give the cumulative production, and first and second, then first, second and third, like that it goes on. Okay, so the next one, summary function, will give you the summary of all the columns in the MTCAS dataset. Okay, so the MTCAS dataset is having 11 columns. So all the 11 column data summary of the statistics, that is minimum, maximum, mean, median, first quartile and third quartile of every column in the MTCAS dataset is given. Okay, so there are 11 columns in the MTCAS dataset. So all these columns are numeric values. So it is giving the minimum, maximum, mean, median, first quartile, third quartile values of the empty cast data set. Okay, this is how the summary function will work. Okay, so today we have seen how a mean deviation function is called using MAD function, and the quantile function to find the quartiles, and 5num also to find the quartiles, IQR to find the interquartile range, COR to find the correlation, COV to find the covariance, and P minimum to find the parallel minimum, P maximum to find the parallel maximum, CUMIN to find the cumulative minimum, CUMMAX to find the cumulative maximum, CUMSUM to find the sum, cumulative sum, CUMPROD to find the cumulative product, and the summary function will give you the summary of all the columns of the data set, of the given data set. Okay, so hope it was useful to know about the some of the basic statistical measures. Thank you for the patience listening.